Welcome to our geometry series. Today we are exploring irregular polygons. You might know what a perfect shape looks like, but what happens when the sides and angles are not all equal? Let's dive in. First, let us define it. An irregular polygon is any polygon that does not meet the strict requirements of being regular. This means that its sides are not all the same length, or its interior angles are not all the same measure. Often, it is a mix of both. Let's compare them side by side. On the left, we have a regular pentagon. Notice how perfect it looks. Every side matches, and every angle is 108 degrees. On the right, we have an irregular pentagon. It still has 5 sides, but it looks skewed. The sides are different lengths, and the corners have different sharpness. Now for a surprise. Is a rectangle a regular polygon? The answer is no. While it has equal angles, they are all 90 degrees, its adjacent sides are not equal. The length is usually longer than the width. Because the sides are not all the same, the rectangle is technically an irregular polygon. Here is another common shape, the rhombus. It is the opposite case of the rectangle. A rhombus has 4 equal sides, just like a square. However, its corners are not all equal. The opposite angles match, but the adjacent ones do not. Since the angles vary, the rhombus is also irregular. The scalene triangle is perhaps the most obvious example. It has no equal sides and no equal angles. Everything about it is different. It is the textbook definition of irregularity in geometry. Here is an important property. Even though an irregular polygon looks messy, the math still works. The sum of the interior angles follows the exact same formula as regular polygons, n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees. For an irregular pentagon, the angles still add up to 540 degrees. Irregular polygons come in 2 main types, convex and concave. A convex polygon has all corners pointing outwards. A concave polygon, however, has a dent. It looks like it has caved in. This cave creates an interior angle greater than 180 degrees. We see these shapes everywhere. Plots of land are rarely perfect squares, they are irregular quadrilaterals. Floor plans for houses often have L shapes or extra nooks. Even a classic flying kite is a specific type of irregular polygon known geometrically as a kite. To summarize, irregular polygons lack the perfect symmetry of regular ones. They might have different side lengths, different angles, or both. Remember that familiar shapes like rectangles and rhombuses fit this category, and the standard angle sum formulas still apply to them.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.